Hi everyone, I'm Daisy. Today, how about we draw a rocket that will take us on interstellar journeys? It's very easy. Grab your paper and pencils and draw along with me. First, let's draw the cabin where our astronauts will travel. Now, let's separate the emergency launch compartment of our rocket. Now, let's draw 2 windows in the passenger cabin. Don't forget the stabilizing fins, one on the left and one on the right. Finally, let's draw the power unit and the heat source so that our rocket can move. Let's all get ready for launch! Now, let's bring our rocket to life with magical colors. Because this isn't an ordinary rocket. It is the magic rocket. Yellow! Look at its body. It is bright yellow, just like a happy, smiling sun. Red. Blue. And look at its wings. They are beautiful blue, like a deep, calm ocean. But wait, the magic rocket had a big problem. It wanted to fly to space, but it didn't have enough energy. Suddenly, whoosh, the magical markers touched the paper. Look at the back. A warm, dancing red and yellow fire started to burn. Crackle, crackle, zoom! The engine was ready. Red! But there was still one missing piece. The rocket needed a special spark to open the secret doors of the universe. Then came the magic brush. Brush, brush, brush. It painted the nose of the rocket with shiny gold. It was so bright, it looked like a real star. With its golden nose, blue wings, and yellow body, the magic rocket was finally alive. Yellow! Are you ready to count down? Let's do it together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! The magic rocket flew high into the dark blue sky, leaving a trail of beautiful rainbow dust behind. It was heading to a secret planet made entirely of gold and stars. See you in the next video, kids!